Yep, you're welcome to today's session. We'll be discussing about, of course, from where we ended, which was a discussion. We went through the settings, general, writing, reading, discussion. So today we're going to take the last two, which is media and permalinks. Now, media is deals with the image sizes. On WordPress, if you upload a file and you want to attach it to a post, you have default sizes for thumbnail, medium size, and large size. So that is exactly the the sizes here. So thumbnail size is 150 width, 150 height. The max width is 300, 300. Then that is for medium. Then for large, the max width is 1024 and 1024. So you can always edit this so that once you upload the file and you click on medium, it will take the specifications that you assigned here. So that's basically what the media settings is all about. Also, if you want to arrange your media files according to month or yearly folders, you can also do that here. In default, it's always ticked. So if you don't want that, you can click on this and untick it. So this is for media, the media settings. That's basically it. Now, if you go to permalinks deal with your URLs. Your URLs. If you check my URL, it's my site slash this. So the arrangement of the URL, especially your posts, that is what permalinks deal on. The first one is plain. Plain is just it assigns a number to it to your post. So if I create a post now and it is in plain, then my a number will be randomly generated. It doesn't make sense. Why it doesn't make sense for us to make use of plain is because of SEO purposes. Um, the name of the post, if we set our permalinks to their name, it will take on, let's say I create a post and the title of the post is this is Vaughn. It will be my site slash this date, which is day, that is the date I posted it, then slash this is Vaughn. So it will take the name of the post and it makes more sense. Although personally I just like keeping it simple, just the post name, my site slash the post name. Let's say learn WordPress with Vaughn slash the post name. I don't have to put the date and all of that. Also for SEO purposes as well. So that's just it. If you want numeric, you want month and name, you want day and name, you want plain, whichever is fine. It's your choice. But personally, I would say you should go for just the post name. It's fine. It's perfect. It's perfect. Now, when it comes to optional, we have category based and tag based. What this simply means is once we go through posts and categories, you would understand more. But just so we explain a little, like we said previously, we have categories. If you are creating a blog and you have categories, it's a fashion blog, you have tops, you have uh summer wears, you have, so these are categories inside your blog. Normally WordPress would say my site slash category slash your category, which is either top or somewhere. So this category here, you can change it. Default is category, not topics. So this is just telling you that if you if I type in topic here, then it will be my site slash the category, which is topic, which uh, represents all categories under topics. So topic, or let's say wears, since we are doing fashion, wears, then slash tops, or which all your categories. The default is category. So if you, okay, let's do something without changing anything. Let's save. We haven't changed anything, and let's create a post. Let's create a post, add new, and then let's say, all right, whatever, let's say first. That's the name of this post, first. And my category here is, let's add the new category. Let's say tops. That's the category, and let's publish. uh Now this category, what I did was I went to the categories, of course. This is the tops I created, and if I view them, this will list out all the posts under that category. Now if you check the palm link is my site, which is this slash category slash what category tops. Fine. Now if I say I don't want category to appear because it makes no sense, just category, for some people they say okay, they don't like that, they want an something that is more descriptive. Let's say everything is going to fall under clothes, and I want my category to be clothes, all the categories. So everything under clothes, tops, any category I create would be my site slash this custom category, which I will change now, and then the category itself. So if I go to settings here, permalinks, and then put options category, let's say wears, and I save. Then if I go to the categories and I view tops, you see it's changed. So now it's my site slash wears slash tops. I can add as many categories as I want. If I say shirt, blouse, yeah, they appear here. If I click on any one of them, they would still take on the wears. So my site slash my custom category, which is wears, and then the category that appears on the site that is tagged to each post or assigns to each post. It may seem a little bit difficult to understand, but once we go in details into posts, which we will do next. No, we're going to do plugins next. Plugins. But for now, that is just basically what media and permalinks is all about. Like we said, to recap, media is to set the default size dimensions of each picture size. We have the thumbnail size, we have medium size, and we have the large. So you can set them here. Why this is just to organize your uploads, your pictures that you upload on your site into months and years. And for permalinks is to display how your URLs show, how they display. If it was plain, or let's say numeric, or let's use plain, and I save and I create a new post. Let's add a new post and I say come here, that is the title of the post, and I publish. If I click on come here, you see the URL is just 10. It doesn't make any sense, but had it been in the settings, permalinks was set to post name, which I prefer, and save, and I come here and refresh, it changes to come here. That is the title of my post, which is come here. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching. Do well to subscribe. I need your subscriptions. I would really appreciate them, and see you next time.